Dry clothes fast. Portable dryers that fit apartments and small homes. First, Black Plus Decker Portable Clothes Dryer with Display, approximate $283.80. This Black Plus Decker front-load portable dryer offers digital controls and a compact drum for apartment-friendly drying. With multiple heat settings and a clear display, it gives reliable cycles without the need for a full laundry room, ideal for renters who want vented performance in a small footprint. Second, ROVSUN Portable Stainless Dryer 850W, approximate $223.20. The ROVSUN Stainless Portable Dryer is an efficient 850W unit designed for quick drying in tight spaces. Lightweight and compact, it's suitable for apartments or small homes where a permanent dryer hookup isn't available. Practical features without a heavy energy bill. Third, 3.5 cubic feet stainless portable dryer, approximate $263.80. This 3.5 cubic feet portable dryer balances capacity and compact design, offering multiple drying functions and an option to wall mount. It's versatile for small families or singles who need better drying performance than line drying but can't accommodate a full-size machine. Fourth, Euhomy Portable Stainless Clothes Dryer, approximate $283.80. Euhomy's portable dryer features a front vent and exhaust kit that simplifies apartment installations. With several heat and cycle options, it handles delicates and everyday loads while fitting into tighter laundry setups, a solid choice when a permanent dryer isn't an option. Fifth, Black Plus Decker Electric Portable Stainless Dryer, approximate $283.80. Another Black Plus Decker option focused on convenience, compact drum design, multiple heat settings and dependable drying performance. It's great for renters, dorms, and anyone who needs an easy-to-use standalone dryer with trusted brand reliability.